Today I'm going to show you some masking and painting effects for the Rare Breed Spartan. We'll start by weeding the stencil so we can see all of our options and make it easier to work with. Stencil mask is available at freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. The stencil comes with masks for the receiver inlets, so we'll demonstrate that first by spraying those areas gold. For some added fun, I'm going to do the inside of the receivers in red. Once cured, I'll add the inlet masks. Next, we'll spray the receiver in our main color. Now we'll mask the helmet. The stencil pack comes with a 5-piece mask that perfectly isolates the helmet from the receiver. A quick addition of masking tape extends the borders and prevents accidental overspray. Once cured, we remove all the stencils and move on to distressing. Distressing is done by dusting on some black and wiping it with acetone. Another neat option is the positive and negative masks for the helmet's ornament. I'm using the negative mask and applying it with transfer tape because it greatly simplifies the process. I then spray the ornament with red. So that's a couple options and techniques that you can do with the Rare Breed Spartan and the Spartan Simple Mask. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com. The links are in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.